to show you how to take these two basic ingredients and turn them into an awesome roasted red pepper tomato bisque. So to get started, I get all of my ingredients together. I've chopped the onion, the celery, I'm using jarred garlic, and now I'm going to be making my bouillon using no chicken, better than bouillon. Next, take your roasted red peppers and drain them. I want to note that these roasted peppers are in water and not oil. Rinse the peppers and remove any of the loose charred skin. This is what they look like after you've rinsed them, and this is the type of stuff that you'll have left from rinsing. Preheat your pot. Test it by putting a little bit of water, and I've got little balls of water flying, so I know it's hot enough. Add your vegetables and saute this until they start to brown. Be ready to add some bouillon if it starts sticking. Keep cooking until these are tender. The celery is starting to soften up, but it's not as soft as I would like. Add the peppers now. We want to soften them further as well because we're going to turn this into a pureed soup. Add enough bouillon to just cover. Bring this up to a boil and then reduce to a low temperature. Stir the mixture occasionally. We want this to be very, very soft. Now the peppers are very soft and I'm going to pulse everything. Stir it, check that everything is pureed. Now you can add the sugar, red wine vinegar, just stir it up a little bit. A little tip with tomato paste, open both ends and you can just slide out the whole can. So we're going to stir that in. Now it's time to add the tomato juice. Now it's time for the full-fat coconut cream. This recipe makes a lot of soup, but it freezes great. I'm going to stir, pulse it one more time, then stir in the Italian seasoning and black pepper. Only stir in the seasoning though. Do not pulse it. As you can see, I topped this off with some nice vegan croutons. Now for the taste test. That is such a nice mellow soup, so smooth. I hope you'll give it a try and that you like it and come back and see me next week.